In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add notes on Shopify. Notes are a great way to keep track of important customer information, special requests, order details, or internal reminders for your team. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside your store, look at the menu on the left-hand side. If you want to add a note to a customer, click Customers and select the customer profile you want to update. Inside the customer profile, scroll down to the Timeline section, click into the Timeline text field and type your note. This could be information about customer preferences, special requests, follow-up reminders, or any details you want to keep for future reference. After typing your note, click Post to save it. Your note will now appear in the customer's timeline and can be viewed later whenever needed. If you want to add a note to an order instead, go to Orders and open the specific order. On the order page, locate the Notes section or timeline area depending on your Shopify version. Enter the information you'd like to save, such as shipping instructions, customer requests, or internal comments. Once you've finished, save the changes. Using notes is a simple but powerful way to stay organized, improve customer service, and keep important information easily accessible for you and your team. Thanks for watching.